Good morning students. Today I am starting with chapter 2, that is numbers of standard 3. Before that I would like to say, please solve exercise 1 because it is totally based on revision whatever you learned in previous class. So solve exercise 1 by yourself. If there is any problem, send the question to the school's WhatsApp contact and you will get the solutions of that problem. Now I am starting with numbers. Numbers. It is very important to know numbers because it is very important in our life. We always play with the numbers. We always play with the numbers. Okay. And imagine the world without numbers. It will be very difficult. In the previous days, in the ancient time, when numbers are not used, numbers are not were used at that time. What were used to count? What were used to count? It was very difficult. Suppose to count shepherd, those who graze their sheep are called shepherd. Shepherd were used to keep pebbles, small stones to count their sheep. Means the number of sheep were with them, they keep that same number of pebbles with them so that to know the number of sheep, or sometimes to draw lines for one line, 2 for 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 and so on. And suppose someone has to write 1001. In that case, what we have to do? We have to draw 101 times 9. It is very difficult. So some symbols representing numbers were involved, and that very digits, that very symbols we use today to represent number. That very symbols we use today to represent numbers. We have 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 10 digits or symbols. In Hindu, there are so many systems are prevailing. Suppose this is Hindu Arabic system of representing numbers. Hindu Arabic system of representing numbers. Okay. In Roman system, we have 1, this, in Hindu Arabic system, we use these 10 digits to represent number. Suppose, what is your age? What is your age? Suppose you are 8 or 10 years. 10 years old. 10 years old. Both are coming from here. These digits. Suppose you have to write 128. 128. 128. See. 1, 2, 8. You have to write 1263. 1263. See, 1 is from here, 2 is from here. Okay. Means we can write numbers, whether it is smaller, whether it is greater, larger. All numbers can be represented using these 10 symbols. Using these 10 symbols, we can see that using these digits. Okay. This is called, or these 10 digits is used to represent number. Okay. In Roman system, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see symbols from only these groups are used in this system. Similarly, there are so many systems of representing number. Here we have to learn Hindu-Arabic system of representing numerals. Hindu-Arabic systems of representing numerals. Okay, and in this system we have 10 digits. 0 to 9. We will count. You will find 10 digits. The total number is of 10 digits. Total number of 10 digits. Okay. You have learned in your previous classes. You have learned in your previous classes. One digit numbers. One digit numbers. One digit numbers means it is 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9 means those numbers having one digit only. Those numbers having one digit only, that those are called one digit numbers. Okay, same thing. 2 digits numbers. When we add 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, it become 10. 9 plus 1, it become 10. Now you will find there are 2 digits, 1 and 1. There are 2 digits. That's why 10, 11, 12 to 99. 10, 11, 12 to 99. These are 2 digits numbers. Come, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All these 10 to 99 are 2 digits numbers. Okay. Listen. When we add 99 plus 1, what it become? It become 100. And count. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. That's why 3 digit numbers. 100, 101, 102 and so on. It goes to 999. It goes to 999. These are 3 digit numbers. Now 4 digit numbers. 4 digits numbers. When you add 999 plus 1, it becomes 1000. And when we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it is 1000, 1001, 1002 and so on. It goes up to 9999. 9. It goes up to 9999. Okay, it is 4-digit numbers. When you add 9999 plus 1, it becomes 10,000, and in 10,000 you will find 5 digits. How many digits? 5 digits. Okay. Similarly, you will go on up to 10 digit, 11 digit, go on. Here in this class, you have to learn up to 4 digit. Up to 4 digit. In class 3, you have to learn different types of operations, different types of comparison, etc. For only 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now, one more thing. In representing 2-digit number, representing 3-digit number, representing 4-digit number. See. Once in this part, ones, tens, sometimes you will find O, T and H. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. You have to write 1-digit number. You will come only in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 9. You have to write 2-digit number. You come one left one. Suppose you have to write 10. 10, 0. 11, 1, 1. How? 11. We can write 10 plus 1. 1. It means 110 plus 1 ones. 110 means we can say that 110 plus 1 plus 1 ones. It becomes 11. Okay. When we write 2 tens, 3 ones. 2 tens, 3 ones. 2 tens, 3 ones. It become 23. It become 23. Same way we come forward up to 3-digit number. Up to 3-digit number. How it become 100? See, 99 plus 1, 100. We have to represent this in this chart. 1, 0, 0. What does it say? It says 100s, 0 tens plus 0 ones. 0 ones. It become 100, 0 tens, 100 like this. You have to write 556. 556. 500s, 5 tens, 6 ones. 500s, 5 tens plus 6 ones. What it become? 556. This is the way to represent number. This is the way to represent number. Now, come next. That is comes thousands. It also divided into 2 parts. One is thousands. Next one is 10,000s. Okay. Suppose you have to write 1,000. You have to write 1,000. What do you say? 1,000s. No hundreds, no tens, no ones. It is 1,000. 1,001. 1,002. 1 ones, 1000, 1200, 1200, nothing. 1542, 542. Okay, 1542. Same way you can represent all 4-digit numbers. Okay, to the leftmost comes under 1000 in 4-digit number. Suppose this is the 4-digit number, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. It ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, thousands. You have to write 5000. Listen, 5000, high, under 1000, 600, 10. You have been given to write 8010, 8000, no hundreds, 10. You are given 5005. You are given 5005. Under 1000, 5000, no 100, no 10, 5005. Okay, 2020, 2000, no hundreds, 20. Okay, in this way you can represent 4-digit number. Okay, now you can solve exercise 2.1. Now after this learning you can solve exercise 2.1. See what type of questions you will find in exercise 2.1. See, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Write the numerals and the number names. Question number 1 says write the numerals and number names. First question is write the numeral and number names. You are being given, suppose, like this: 1000 ones, numeral, number, name. Next, numeral here, number, names. You are being given 4006, under 1004 and 628. 628. What will be the numeral? It will be 4628. Like this, 4628. What will be the numeral? 4628. And what will be the number name? Under 1004. That's why you will write 4000. 628. In this way you can solve question number 1 of your exercise. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, you are asked to write numerals for the number names. To write numerals for the number names. Question number 2 says write numerals for the number names. For the number names. One example I will solve for you. That is 5205. that is 5,205. 5,205. Just I have told you how to write the answer of this question. You have to give blank space for 1000, blank space for 100, blank space for tens, blank space for ones. Now see the question. 5,000. That's why 5 under the 1000. 5 under the thousands. 200. So 2 under the 100. Is it any 10? No any 10. That's why 0. 5. It becomes 5. Your answer will be 5205. Your answer will be 5205. In this way, you can easily write the numerals of the given number names. Now in question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. You have to write. You have to compare. Greater the numbers of digits, greater will be the number. Okay, one digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number means the number of digits is greater, the number will be greater. Okay, if you will compare 2 digit number and 3 digit number, 2 digit number and 3 digit number, which will be greater? 3 digit number. If we will compare 3 digit number to 4 digit number, what will happen? 4 digit number will be greater. That's why the number of digits, when a number of digits is greater than the other, then the number will be greater also. The number will be greater also. In Hindi, digits की संख्या ज़्यादा होगी तो वो greater number होगा. जब हम दो नंबर को हम compare करेंगे तो जिस नंबर में digits की संख्या ज़्यादा होगी वो नंबर वो कम digit वाले से ज़्यादा होगा. Okay, greater होगा. Same way you have to write the smallest number you can find easily. Complete the series. You can do. I am doing for one. Your help. I am doing one for your help. Complete the series. Number 5. Complete the series. E numbers. 9081, 9082. You have been given how many box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 box. Okay, you have to add 9083, 9084. Same. You have to complete the series. Same way, number 6. In number 6, question number 6. Question number 6. Skip counting. It is skip count by 10. Skip count by 10. See one example. 210, 2120. 2130, 2140, 2150. See, it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 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 What do you find here? Thousands place are same. Thousands place are same. Hundreds place are same. Ones place are same. What changes you find? Tens places becoming greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way you can go. After that 2060, 2070, 67. Tens place will be increased one by one. Okay. Same way, next example. Next example, 6960, 6960, 6960, 1s, tens, hundreds, thousands. What will be changed? Only tens. 6970, 6980, 6980, 6990, 6990. Then after what to become? 9 plus 1 sorry, 9 plus 1, what it becomes? 0. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 0, it becomes 7. Okay, same 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 7010, 7020, 7030, 7040. What do you see? Tens places being increased by 1. Tens places being increased by 1. In the same way, you can solve a question number 7, in which you have to skip by 100. In which you have to skip by 100. It means you have to change the place at hundreds place. You have to change at hundreds place. See, like 5780, 5780. This is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. In this time, you have to change this hundreds place. 5780, 5880, 5980. Okay. 80 will be same. 9 plus 1, 0. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 0 carry 1, 5 plus 6. 6080. 0 plus 1, 6180. 6280. 6380. So, okay. Same way you can solve this exercise. Okay, question number 6. And there is one type of problem you will find when it comes 9. When it comes 9. Okay. When it comes 9. In that case, suppose this example. 5980. 5980. You have to add 1 in this 9. You have to add 1 in this 9. When you add 9 plus 1, it what becomes? 10. It becomes 10. 0, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. It comes here 0, and this one you will add it to this, and it becomes 6080. In this way, you can solve question number 7 of this exercise. Now see question number 8. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Counting by thousands. Skip count by thousand. In this time, you have to increase number at the place of thousand. At the place of thousand. See one example. 1205. 1205. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This time you have to change this number only. Okay. 1 after 2205. Remain rest will be same. 3205 same. 4205, 5205, 6205. What do you see? 205 will remain same. 205 remains same. We have to increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Means for skipping 1000 we have to change the number at the place of 1000, and for the skipping 10 we have to change the number at the place 10. For skipping by 100 we have to change the number at place 100. Okay. Next, in this way you can solve this exercise very easily. If there is any problem you can ask on WhatsApp. It will be elaborated there. Now one easy term you have to learn: expanded form and shortest form. Okay, you are expanded form. Suppose you are being given 5 to 1. Okay, you can arrange this like this: 8 1 0 2 0 0, because there are 2 digits thereafter. 5 0 0 plus 3 5, and you have to write like this from down to upward. 5210 plus 2. 10 plus 2. How it becomes 10? How it becomes 200? How it becomes 5000? Okay, for that you have to keep in mind, this is place of ones, this is place of tens, this is place of hundreds, this is place of hundreds, this is place of thousands. Okay, 8 ones means 8 multiply 1, 8. 1 tens, 1 multiply 10, it become 10. 1 10 मतलब 1 multiply 10. Okay, 2 hundreds means 2 multiply 100 equal to 200. 5 thousands means 5 multiply 1000 equal to 5000. Now got it? How it becomes 5000, how it becomes 200, and how it becomes. Same way you can expand all numbers, 4-digit number, 3-digit numbers, you can expand. Okay. And short form. What is the? This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form, and this is the short form. This is the short form. This is the short form. Okay. Suppose you are being given like this one number. One number you are being given 3000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. 3000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. This is in expanded form. It is in expanded form. You have to write in short form. Okay, you have to write in short form. Okay, means 3000s, 100s. Okay, plus 2 tens plus 6 ones. Now we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6 ones, 2 tens, 1 hundreds, 3. 3 1 to 6. Or you can easily take 3 from here, 1 from here, 2 from here, 6 from here. It will be short form. In this way you can solve exercise 2.2. In this way you can solve exercise 2.2. Now your homework will be SW exercise 1, exercise 2.1, Exercise 2.2. This is your homework. Solve in notebook and submit to the school. And if there are any queries, any problem, you can ask directly on a school WhatsApp group. Thank you.